Alright, nice downpour here. Let's call it a moderate downpour. It's not the heaviest rain I've ever seen, but it's pretty good. You need it. Getting heavier. Alright guys, it continues to pour down rain out here in Pullman. It's going to be doing it for a while, so got a lot of water pulling up. I mean, the system's able to handle it, but coming down like gangbusters. I mean, it's going to rain like this for an hour at least, looking at the radar. So put it in the corner there. That's what we got coming through. So hopefully we'll crack a half inch of rain or more. Bust this drought.